RNG.
Let's go lah.
So we're here at the Market 88 outlet. Gonna be unboxing and setting up this coffee machine right here. So, 这么要换 machine
要想爆好了。我做了就装了一个问题啊，漏水了。
What do you want? Show me how to do the chain first. Chain, 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 chain. Setting up. Within 1 hour. So, kalau cooking less than 1 hour kan boleh cancel free lah. Ada white color milk. From milk, like you.
Then fill in water.
Wah, steam yang được.
有啊。好敷了咯 ，OK。
This one's the old one.
Huh?
This time this one is done okay, but most of the times the settings in the machine it will run, so cannot get the consistent quality from the coffee. This one's from the new machine. It's good. You drink water or coffee? You drink coffee? You're still a kid. Yeah, you drink water. Good. So we're done setting up the machine. So far it's okay lah. I mean it's smaller, but for now I think it's still okay for the usage at this outlet right here. Instead of serving coffee that is inconsistent with the quality, I think right now with this new machine we will be able to cater to that. Okay, bye bye.